Hello students, welcome to RT Education. This is worksheet number Directorate of Education worksheet work of science subject science class 10th. Here you can write your name and name of class teacher or subject teacher. This is dated 19/7/2021. So you can do this worksheet which is based on metals and non-metals. These are for general worksheet and it is from chapter 3. You can also revise chapter 3 for more information. Now see the worksheet is labeled as metals and non-metals. As you all are familiar with very metals, iron, you can see any objects in your home made of iron, like your iron rods. The steel products are also made of iron. The building material जिसको हम सरिया बोलते हैं वो आयरन से बने हुए हैं. आयरन रोड्स, आयरन के आपके डोर्स हो सकते हैं, आयरन के डोर हैंडल्स हो सकते हैं, लोहा जिसको बोलते हैं. एल्यूमिनियम, you can see easily around yourself. The utensils are made up of aluminium, like cooker, the tea pot, tea containers. Many things are made of aluminium. The foil you use for wrapping your breakfast, lunch, anything is made up of aluminium foils. Copper, you see the wires mainly are made up of copper or aluminium. Two metals are used mainly. The electrical wires, because of their electrical conductivity, that will be studying in later on chapters or later on worksheets. And many things you can see made up of copper. Nowadays the copper utensils are also gaining popularity. In ancient India, copper utensils were used as they have many health benefits. You see the golden brownish color copper. You can easily see all electrical wires in your home either are of aluminium but mainly now are of copper. The plastic covering, if you remove the plastic covering of the wire, then you will see copper in them. Also the battery terminals, batteries used in automobiles, your cars, bikes, or batteries used in your mobiles, their terminals are made up of copper. The batteries used in your inverter battery system, the batteries have copper wires, copper terminals. So you can easily see these metals. Basically we will be dealing with the name of element, their symbols, which we have already done in 9th class. It is just a revision and extension of that. So this is, see here, the iron, common element, common, you can see easily anywhere in your cars. Iron in your bicycles, the keys made of iron, the spokes of tires made of iron, handles, which is a alloy of iron, steel is basically used, and many stainless steel, that is, and many the rods of your curtains, the doors are made of iron many times. So you can see iron is a basic metal used widely in machines, in homes, in construction activities. Its symbol is Fe. It is a metal. Calcium, symbol Ca, metal. Gold, symbol is Au, metal. Aluminium, symbol Al, metal. Copper, symbol Cu, derived from Latin name cuprum. Gold's Latin name is aurum, so it is aurum, so its symbol becomes Au. Similarly, iron's symbol, iron is also a metal, its symbol is derived from its Latin name, that is ferrum, so its symbol becomes Fe. So you can easily see these things. Then lithium, a metal. Lithium ion batteries, the cells you use in watches, in batteries, in mainly mobile cells, batteries are made of lithium ion lithium ion batteries, that is also a metal. Potassium, metal. Mercury, used in thermometers, and many more things, mainly you have seen in thermometers. Its symbol is Hg, it is a metal. Lead, symbol is Pb, P capital, B small, metal. Silver, Ag, metal, A capital, G small. Greek name was argentium, so the symbol becomes Ag, that is silver. So all these are metals. Silver, gold are precious metals, very expensive metals. So these are metals. So you can always make a table and remember. You can also write some metals for yourself. Then some are non-metals. Carbon, C. Almost all things you see around yourself, plastics and many things, they are made up of carbon. We ourselves are made up of carbon. Nutrients we eat are made up of carbon and its compounds. Graphite is made up of carbon. Diamond is made up of carbon. So carbon is a non-metal, and its symbol is C. You can see from the worksheet itself, it is written carbon, symbol C. It is a non-metal. Phosphorus, symbol P, non-metal. Hydrogen, symbol H, non-metal. Helium, symbol He. Helium is a gas, non-metal. Mainly non-metals are gases and some are solids. Nitrogen, N, most abundant gas in atmosphere, is non-metal. Sulfur, S, non-metal. Oxygen, O, non-metal. You write oxygen as O2, but it is molecular form. In elemental form, it is symbol is O. Iodine, I, lustrous non-metal. Bromine, Br, non-metal. Neon, Ne, non-metal. Neon is a gas used in mainly lightnings. Neon lamps, you always see neon lamps nowadays. The shining lamps used in street lights and banners on roadsides. These are all non-metals. Now the solutions of worksheet you have to do. Give the symbols of the following elements. Bromine, easily you can see. You have now done and seen. It is Br, B capital, R small. Lead, the symbol of lead is it has nothing to do with its name. Its name is Greek. It is taken from Greek name Pb. Calcium, you can easily see the calcium name is Ca, taken from its English name itself. Nitrogen, capital N. Always first letter will be capital. If there are two letters, second will be small. Silver, taken from Greek name, symbol is Ag. Greek name is argentium. So you can easily do this. Now you have to practice, you will remember easily. Then you have to write the elements. Symbols are given. Fe, whose symbol is this? Because its Greek name is ferrum, but you have to write English name, that is iron. Common English name is iron. Then comes Hg. Hg is a Greek, derived from Greek name, but its English name, real name is mercury. Hg will be mercury. Then next the Cau. Remember, don't confuse. Ag is gold, Ag is silver, and Au is gold. Then why Au? Because Au is the Greek name, that is aurum. So symbol is Au. Next is O. Very easy. Oxygen. O stands for oxygen in the symbols. Oxygen. Then Cu. Cu stands for copper. There is no U, but Cu is also taken from Greek letter, that is cuprum. Its name is copper. Greek name was cuprum, so symbol is Cu. Now identify the following elements as metals and non-metal. Coal. Coal is mainly made up of carbon. So coal is a non-metal. There are certain properties of metals which coal does not follow. It is not lustrous, it is not malleable, it is a non-metal. Iodine, already seen, non-metal. Mercury, metal, only liquid metal. All metals are solids mainly. Only one liquid metal is there, that is mercury. Lithium, lithium is a metal. You use it in batteries. Bromine, bromine is a non-metal. So I hope you can do the worksheet yourself, and the CBSE now will take multiple choice questions in which these questions will be very helpful. They can write, give you symbol or write name of 4 elements and will ask which of them is metal, which is non-metal. So practice these short answer questions very carefully so that you can perform in your CBSE exam. Best of luck. Keep watching and subscribing. Share to all your friends for better preparations, and write your queries in comments. Thank you.